my name's Jack Lee. I'm currently doing the fast track production with BBC Audio. Up for probably about the last 2 months since I've been gone for Skill Cymru, I've been working on BBC Radio 4's live show called Saturday Live, where we get like guests on. It's like a round table discussion, 9 o'clock on a Saturday morning, where we get interviews from celebrities and just kind of hear their kind of backstory and what they got coming up and things like that. I've been doing like a lot of editing and like making radio packages and just vox pops and just doing all sorts of like behind the scenes like editing and all that kind of stuff really. So we've just come out of training actually, where we did radio packages where me and one of the guys on the course, we went out into the streets of Cardiff, asked people questions about child vaping, what they thought about it. We kind of just compiled all the different interviews then into one, and then we just kind of just put it all together, put a bit of music under it, kind of make it a bit dramatic with like cut in of like kind of having like a pace to it as well, and just putting it all together and trying to get it to sound as good as possible. Apart from the coffee and the biscuits, I'm hoping to just kind of learn a bit more about the industry that I'm coming into. Coming from such a complete different industry. Before this I was working in the steelworks. I'd been out of college and any kind of education for about 10 years before starting this, so coming here is really important because it allows me to kind of get the academic part of it under my belt. And the environment at Skill Cymru is just so relaxed that it's not, I don't feel like I'm in a classroom, I feel like I'm just here. I've got industry experts essentially just helping me along the way, telling me what I need to include. And it's just making the transition from not being in school and no college or education to somewhat of an education type setting now. And it's kind of making the transition a lot more comfortable for me.